This is code.org. Can you draw this pattern by looping just 3 binary digits, zeros and ones? So they only want us to write 3 things, right? So maybe I write 1, 0, 1. And what's going to happen here? It repeats 21 times. So the reason this should work, well, I don't think this is the actual code. Keep in mind, 1 is where we would scratch out a block, 0 is where we leave it black, and 1 again, scratch it out. So right now I should scratch, leave black, scratch, and yellow is really where we should scratch, but I'll leave this for now. Then I hit the bottom of this pink loop thing, this mouth thing, and any code inside of this pink mouth thing is repeated 21 times. So I just did it once, zoop, back to the top. Now do second time, and I would do 1, which would scratch, no scratch, scratch, and 21 times. Well, I wonder why 21? Well, if we're only going to use 3 characters, 3 binary numbers, 3 times 21 should get us to the end, right? 3 times 21 would be 63. And that will definitely get us down here. Let's take a look at what I was thinking this will do, which is it will scratch. Yep, and we don't want to scratch that area. We just want to scratch. So look at the first 3 blocks. We don't want to scratch the first 2. We want to leave them black. So 0, 0. And the third one, we do want to scratch 1. Let's try this. But onward.